In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your MSI Z790 Tomahawk. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of motherboard from MSI or any other one like a B550, B650, X570, regardless of the model, you will be able to follow these general instructions to update the BIOS. To do this process, you will need a USB drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage space, however, you should at least format it in the FAT32 type, and as long as it is formatted housing the BIOS files, the update will be performed. So to download these files, go to the official website and access the product page for the MSI Mag Z790 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. If you have a different model like the one without Wi-Fi, go to its page instead, but after you arrive at the correct product page, go to Support, so on these categories at the top choose Support, scroll down and you will find the download available for the BIOS files. Click on download and you have to extract them somewhere. So load up the USB drive into your computer, find the BIOS files and extract them inside. Once the BIOS files have been loaded into the USB drive, you will be able to perform the update. So now insert the USB drive with the files inside on any of the available USB ports at the back. Once it is inserted here, you will be able to perform the update inside of the BIOS. You can also use this button here, Flash BIOS button. However, I'm not going to be focusing here. If you want to do this method, you will insert the drive into this particular spot here, and then you press the button for about 3 seconds. Let this process finish. This will only work if your motherboard is receiving power. But if you want to do it through the BIOS, which is the classic way of doing it, press delete while your computer is booting. You will access the BIOS, and in here you have to go into the M-Flash function at the bottom left. If you don't see it, switch the modes, so from easy mode to advanced mode. Once you see M-Flash available at the bottom left corner of the screen, select it. Inside of M-Flash, you will see the USB drive that you loaded into your computer on any of the available ports, and now you can choose the BIOS file available here. So, as long as you loaded the BIOS file inside of the USB drive, you select it from the list, it is going to be apparent here, and you can choose the BIOS file to begin the update. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS MSI Z790 Tomahawk. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.